Hello friends, in this video we are going to have a look on the calculation of correlation. Correlation can be calculated by the three different methods. First of all is scatter diagram, second one is Karl-Pearson method, and third one is Spearman rank correlation. In this video we are going to basically focus on the Karl-Pearson's method. As you know that this method is very important from the exam point of view. So Karl-Pearson's method. Karl-Pearson's method of calculating the coefficient of correlation is based on the covariance of two variables, and in fact there are two methods to calculate the coefficient of correlation. One is by direct method and another one is by shortcut method. Here this is the formula for Karl-Pearson's method, where R denotes for correlation is equal to sigma xy under root sigma x square into under root sigma y square. Let us go in detail and look at the one question how we can solve this question from this Karl-Pearson method. First one, x. Here this is the value of x: 10, 12, 11, 13, 12, 14, 9, 12, 14 and 13. And the value for y: 7, 9, 12, 9, 13, 8, 10, 12, 7 and 13. Now what we are going to do is, first of all we have to calculate the deviation of x and the deviation of y. For calculating that deviation, we have to first calculate the mean of x and mean of y. And how we calculate mean? As you all know, x by n. N is the total number of observation and x is the summation of that particular, like x, summation of y, summation of x, etc. So summation of x is 10, 12, 11, 13, 12 is 120 and summation of y is 100. So first we are going to calculate the mean. We are going to calculate the mean of x. So what we are going to have? X by n. So 120, and what is the total number of observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. So the mean of x is 12. And now again by this similar method we are going to calculate the mean of y. That is 100 sigma y by n, that is 100 by 10. So the mean of y is 10. Now we are going to calculate the deviation for x as well as the deviation for y. Now starts your calculation. What is the deviation for x? 10 minus 12, it's minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 2, minus 3, 0, 2 and 1. Now what is the deviation for y? It is 10 minus 7, it's minus 3, it's going to be minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 2, minus 3 and minus 3. After we have calculated the d, means deviation. Now have a look at the formula. What we want in a formula? We want sigma xy sigma x square and sigma y square. So we are going to first calculate x, y. So minus 3 minus 2, it's minus 6, 0, minus 2, minus 1, 0, minus 4, minus 0, 0, 6 and 3. Now what next we want in formula is the sigma x square and sigma y square. So calculate this sigma x square as well as sigma y square. So what will be? Minus 4, 0, 1, 1, 0, 4, minus 9, 0, 4 and 1. So after calculating x square, we have to calculate y square. That is minus 9, minus 1, 4, 1, 9, 4, 0, 4, 9 and 9. As we know that it has been given in the formula that we want sigma x square and sigma y square. That's why we had calculated sigma x square from deviation. As you know, d is equal to x minus x bar. So from deviation we had calculated x square, from deviation dx we have calculated x square, from deviation dy we have calculated y square. So what is the total of these two? It will come to 50 and it will come to 24 and it will come to 4. As you know, when we square some number, the minus sign is automatically get ignored. So now we are going to put all these things in the formula. Let's see how we are going to do this. So what's the formula is? R is equal to sigma xy by under root sigma x square into sigma y square. So what is the value of sigma x and y? That is 4, as you have seen above. So sigma x square value is 24 into sigma y square value is 50. So 4, and when we calculate this root 24 root, it comes to 4.89, and when we calculate the root of 50, it comes to 7.07. and as you go on for the further calculation, the answer comes as the the answer comes as the 0.115. So this is how we calculate the correlation from the Karl-Pearson's method. Hope you really understand. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.